Panawagan ta ni President Marcos to the Honorable President of the Republic of the Philippines, President Ferdinand Marcos. I would like to express my concerns regarding the apparent lack of awareness among our leaders about the significant events affecting our nation. So it is troubling, Mr. President, to hear that you stated and relentlessly to critical issues such as flood control projects, that you have no knowledge of this situation, especially when lives are stake and billions of pesos have been allocated for these initiatives. So, Mr. President, as the leader of our country, and after more 3 years in office, Mr. President, you still have less than 3 years. It is expected that you remain vigilant and well informed about the major developments impact the lives of our citizens, the safety and well-being of the Filipino people should always be the top priority. And effective governance requires transparency and accountability, Mr. President. So, Mr. President, it raises questions when many beneficiaries of government contracts, labi na sa flood control from the DPWH project, are allies of your administration, Mr. President. And this situation, Mr. President, underscores the need for greater oversight and communications regarding the public funds and projects, Mr. President. So, Mr. President, I urge you to take proactive steps in ensuring that you and your administration, Mr. President, stay informed about the critical issues facing our nation. So, Mr. President, President Marcos, the voices of the citizens must be heard, and we deserve a government that prioritizes our safety and welfare. So, Mr. President, I want to clarify that I am not an enemy of the country, nor I am your adversary, Mr. President. I am a dedicated citizen. I love Philippines who cares deeply about our nation. So, Mr. President, kung maabot man gani mismo sa imuhang, thank you for your attention to this matter.